we're going to see if we can make our own homemade macaroni and cheese Cheetos. Want to get started?
White cheddar's the best.
White cheddar is the best, you think?
Yeah. Because
Well,
it doesn't mold for days.
Doesn't mold for days?
Yeah. Because that tastes bad when it goes over days. It tastes bad on Sundays.
Well, we're gonna have to
Tastes
see.
bad on Sundays?
Yeah?
Well, you want to open them and leave them out and see if they mold?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, let's open them. And pour in some Cheetos. Pour in the Cheetos.
No.
Pour in the Cheetos.
A piece of. I'm testing.
Good thing he's the only one eating it. Gotta get those Cheeto hands. Okay. I think that's all we need. Thank you for that.
No.
So, can you put the top on the blender? Okay. So, now let's see what we've got in here. I think we need more Cheetos in there. Put more Cheetos in. More Cheetos. More Cheetos. A little more. And last two. Oh, you go eat this. Okay.
Can it taste it that fresh or not?
Watch over the blade.
Good.
Good? Okay, you ready to make some macaroni and cheese with that? So,
No!
you ready to do the white cheddar?
No!
Okay, let's open white cheddar. Okay. Put some of these in the blender. After you taste test them. We can wait. Put that top on. Okay. Now that we're done getting our Cheeto cheese, we're going to boil our noodles and we're going to make some macaroni and cheese. Are you hungry?
Yes!
You want to eat this?
Yeah!
Okay.
I can eat this.
Now that we've boiled our noodles, we have white cheddar Cheetos we've blended up. We have normal Cheetos we've blended up. We've taken the liquid cheddar cheese and mixed it with Cheetos. And then we have our Cheeto powder that came with our normal macaroni and cheese Cheetos. So we're going to mix all this up and we're taste test it. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's do this.
That's gonna be yucky.
It'll be yucky. How would you know?
Because it's nasty.
Okay, don't touch that, it's hot. So this one, we're going to add a little milk on it. So you want to add some milk?
Yeah.
There you go. Not all of it, just a little bit. Just moisten it up a little bit. And yeah, let's try that. Okay, you good. We gotta put some in there. Put some in there. Put some in there. Put some in there. Okay.
Wait.
Can you pour in cheese in that one and mix it?
And a hobo.
What are you doing?
We have to wrap this.
You really like Cheetos, don't you? See what I have to live with?
I cleaned the bowl.
Okay. Stir that up.
Don't. Can I drink some of that milk?
Do you want to drink some of that milk?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can drink some of that milk. You ready to taste test?
No.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay, this is our controlled, so we're going to see if these compare to this when he's done with his milk.
This is my coffee.
Coffee! Okay, let's try our Cheeto Mac and Cheese.
I'm the boss.
How's it taste? Good?
Tastes good?
Tastes good?
Yeah.
Does it taste like macaroni and cheese with Cheetos?
Yeah, blended.
You ready to taste another one?
Mm-mm.
No? Why?
Kind of dumb. Another coffee break.
Another coffee break? What are you, union?
I'm the boss.
He's the boss.
I'm not the boss. You are. You taller.
I wish I was the boss just because I was tall. Let's taste the white cheddar. See how that compares to that. What have I done?
Do you regret life?
What does it taste like?
Tastes like noodles with white cheddar Cheetos.
Ew, mac and cheese with Cheetos all over it.
It's missing a little bit of a hint of that cheddar cheese mix. Like, it's just noodles with white cheddar Cheetos.
Is that what you expected?
Ooh, mine has a kick.
Your head's a kick?
Yeah,
What do you think about it?
I can make it more flavorful.
It's more flavorful?
Yeah.
Would you eat that another day?
No.
No? Let's try the next one.
Wait up.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think of that?
100.
100?
Yeah.
So you liked it?
Yeah, because it has a kick.
Has kick? Okay, let's try the Cheeto macaroni and cheese.
Ew. Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Got a big helping of it.
Huh? Mine has a really big kick. Is yours have a kick?
This is more plain than the white cheddar Cheeto mac and cheese. I'm not sure what I expected, but it really doesn't taste like anything. It tastes like noodles. What do you think about it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. So you like that one better than the Cheeto?
Yeah.
Yeah? Would you eat that one again?
Nope.
No?
Nope. But I will eat that one again.
You'll eat the white cheddar again? Okay, so this one has cheddar cheese in it, the liquid cheddar cheese that comes with your pack. And then we mix Cheetos in with it.
But can I only try one?
Yeah, you can just try one. You want to try one of mine on top?
Oh, yeah.
You can grab that one. What was that? Compliments to the chef, I assume.
I farted.
That looks horrendous.
Oh boy.
Yeah. I got this one out of 10, out of 10, out of 10.
You like that one 10 out of 10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Do you like that one better than that one?
I will follow the tweet and that one.
Okay, let's line them up. And you tell me, which one do you like the best? All of them?
Yeah.
You would eat this?
Yeah.
Do you like
And that.
Do you like that better than this?
I love all these.
All of them? So you want us to make this again?
Yeah.
Out of these three, which one did you like the best?
Very best?
Very, very best. That one?
Yeah.
Well, you are welcome to eat the
No,
rest of it.
I was talking about that one.
That one? You are welcome to eat the rest of that one. I will eat this one.
But don't eat all that one. I tricked you. always like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
Yeah.